Hi everyone, I'm back with the new tutorial. This is tutorial number 13. This is about the AEC extended. Okay, so it's a very interesting topic actually. AEC extended. So you just go to the create tab. You go to the AEC extended here. So you see the foliage. You see the railing and you see the wall. Okay, so this is a very interesting part. Let's say the foliage. So when I create the click on the foliage, you see Max is offering some sort of trees. You see, on the left part, they're actually offering some sort of trees. So you can drag and drop them in your project, so in your viewport. So let's say this is a selected one. You just click on, drag one, you see, zoom out a bit, you see this is a big tree, eh? Kind of a very good tree, and it has some parameters, the trunk, the branches and roots and all that. Okay, always never. Okay, you can do that. You see this is a very good uh, tree, very big tree. Okay, you can have it in your initial projects. Okay, then you have what you have. Then you have this tree. Okay, then you have pine tree. Okay, then you have this tree. Then you have this tree also, and then American ELM, okay, and then you have this one also. So you see, and also this one you can drag and drop. Oh, and when you are selecting one, you click on the viewport, the new tree will generate. Click, 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 click. So this is very good. Let's say I want to create a forest of palm tree. So you just go to the palm tree and you click, 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 and every time it's giving you new variations. You see. So you see, this is very good actually to have to set up an initial outdoor project. So why Max is keeping you trees or foliage in here? This is because of for the outdoor projects, as I said, that outdoor projects require some sort of tree element, some sort of vegetation. So these are all the vegetation part. And uh, the thing is that every time you click, it will give you new variety. You see. So this is a kind of forest you can make. Okay, very good, very good to see. But you see, these are completely white because of it's full of segments. I mean, a lot of segments are here. So how can you tweak with the segments? That is an advanced part. I will show you in later. But right now you enjoy these things, that you go to the foliage section, AEC extended foliage section, and choose whatever trees you want, and then you just drag it on your viewport. Drag it on your viewport like this, you see, like this. Okay. Then the next part, very interesting. The next part is the railing. You click on here. You click on here. you create, click drag up, click drag up, so you get this kind of railing effect, and you can tweak that that part, you see, like this, and like this also. So yeah, railing is a very essential things for, you know, maybe a road creation, um, maybe for the architectural indoor scene. So railing is important. So Max is giving you kind of a railing, a basic railing, so you can use that. And also the last is the wall. So you just click on the wall. It got two parameters, that width and height actually. So the interesting part is you click and drag. Okay, you click and drag. Just you click, go to zoom in. Just okay. Now you click, 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 click. By every click, a wall is creating. Every click, a wall is creating. Click, 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 and click. You see? So this is the wall. So this kind of, you know, this kind of thing is very effective for architects to, you know, for the floor plan. Again, with the floor plan, Max is giving you some presets to, yeah, okay, you see, done. So this is kind of a floor. So Max is giving you an option for the wall, for the floor plan. So later I will show you how you can use them. Actually, you can use them. You can use the presets, and later you can tweak them according to your needs. But these options Max giving you because of the fast starts. You know, you don't have to start from the scratch for this one, like the doors we discussed about previously, the doors, windows. So Max is giving you this wall section. Most interesting part is this foliage section. This foliage is very good to see, and also it is giving you the some sort of railing section. So you see, so this is actually, like I said before, this is a very handy tool for initial start of the work. Like you have to immediately you have to show the viewers some sort of floor plan. So without any CAD design or drawing, how can you do the rough layout, or rough rough scene design or something. So immediately this is kind of a drawer. Immediately you can use these assets, because this kind of tree, if you wanna create from scratch, this will take a lot of time, and this will take a lot of expertise, you see. So Max is giving you this tree by free. You can use them in your projects, in your initial projects. You can use them in your assignments. If you are a student, you can use them in your assignments. If you are a professional, you can use them in a fast layout, draft layout. You can use them. Later, you may change them with a more advanced model or more advanced asset. So this is very handy, guys. So okay, bye. This is AEC material, AEC components. So I will come back again with last of this list, actually the creation list. So till then, bye. Have a good day, and keep supporting me. Keep supporting my channel, and keep supporting my effort. Actually, guys, you are giving me so much support. Thank you, and keep attaching with my with my page and keep subscribe. Thank you very much.